Hi, my name is Balloon Josh from Neverland Balloons and Face Painting, and I'm here with ClownAntics.com. And today, in honor of the upcoming Venom movie, we're going to teach you how to make your very own line work Venom balloon. For this Venom, we're going to need 2 black balloons and a marker, paint pen. So first we're going to make a 1.5 inch bubble, followed by a 1/2 inch bubble. We're going to fold it over, pinch, and twist. Do that again, 2 inch bubble followed by a 1/2 inch bubble. We're going to fold it over, pinch, and twist. And we're going to do another 2 inch bubble, followed by a 1/2 inch bubble, fold it over, pinch, and twist. There's one leg. And we're going to do it again. 1.5 inch bubble followed by a 1/2 inch bubble, fold it over, pinch, and twist. 2 inch bubble followed by a 1/2 inch bubble, fold it over, pinch, and twist. And 2 inch bubble followed by a 1/2 inch bubble, fold it over, pinch, and twist. There's our other leg. Now we're going to attach the 2 legs at the butt cheeks. With one hand you hold the front, with the other hand you're going to rotate the butt cheeks, 1 full rotation counterclockwise. Now you're going to go up about a hand's width and twist the bubbles together and feed one through the middle to lock them in place. Then you're going to make a loop twist with one of them, and then take the other one and feed it through that loop twist to lock the head in place. Now you're going to do a 2 inch bubble followed by a 1/2 inch bubble, fold it over, pinch twist. You're going to do it again, 2 inch bubble followed by a 1/2 inch bubble, fold it over, pinch twist, and on that pinch twist we're going to do a split twist by rolling that split twist, and then we're going to break the excess off. Same to the other arm. 2 inch bubble followed by a 1/2 inch bubble, fold it over, pinch twist. Again, 2 inch bubble followed by a 1/2 inch bubble, fold it over, pinch twist. And again, we're going to do a split twist by rolling that pinch twist and break off the excess. Then we're going to orient the body forward and put the 2 arms down on either side, kind of wedge them in there, and then face the head facing forward. And this is essentially our basic body. This can actually be a lot of things. It can be Venom in this case, or it could be, you could turn it into Batman, you could turn it into Darth Vader, a ninja, but we're gonna use a lot of drawing. So we're gonna whip out our white paint pen. And for the eyes, it's similar to the way you do a Spider-Man eyes, but they're more curved. Spider-Man is very flat and angular, and Venom is a lot more kind of rounded with sharp points. So I'm gonna do these eyes here and show you. So it's kind of rounded and gives these sharp points in here, and then you're gonna fill it in the eyes. And you're gonna make sure to give them some like angry looking eyebrows, kind of angled down. And one of the tricks with Venom is he's not actually a suit, it's like a alien life form, right, that's on him. So it's very sinewy, kind of like he was covered in black silly putty or something, or black tar. And so we're gonna reflect that in a minute. So first we do the spider. So we're gonna do white spider on him. And you can kind of leave it at here if someone just wanted the black suit Spider-Man. But for Venom, we're gonna make sure we draw a mouth. Spider-Man doesn't have a mouth, but Venom does. And he has very sharp teeth, so we're gonna draw some big fang-looking teeth here. And we're gonna kind of draw some smaller sharp teeth. We're gonna leave a gap in the middle, kind of like a kid that's lost their 2 front teeth, because we need to leave a gap for his tongue. That's another trademark Venom thing, is he's got this long tongue. So we're gonna make this kind of long, curvy tongue that curves out to the side and bring that back up. So it's gonna fill that gap in between those teeth. We're gonna color it in. Again, this is just a red Sharpie paint pen. We're coloring in this big red curvy tongue. And you can stop here if you're crunched on time. I'm gonna add a couple white lines to give him that, again, that kind of sinewy look that he has, because his suit is not actually a suit, it's more of a, you know, a liquid alien life form covering his entire body. So just a couple like white squiggly lines just around. It might be hard to see in the video, but just kind of do some white squiggly lines just to kind of give him that fluid look. There's your Venom. Thank you so much for watching today. The products used in today's video are listed down below. If you would like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel. We look forward to seeing you next time.